Okay, calling all self-help authors is your buddy Blogsmith Jim of blogsmithjim.com, inviting you, whether you're an author here, there, or anywhere around the globe, self-help authors in particular this time, but is my invitation to you as part of a mastermind group to join and be heard. Now, this invitation to Mastermind came from my own journey as a self help author writing a book about my inventions. I have 9 inventions called That's My Idea. The book is called That's My Idea. And I found a group that really sees eye to eye with me. Personal development is part of our background for some of us, but we come from all walks of life, and the central theme is self-help authors group. So it is a mastermind to elevate everyone to new heights. Now, the benefits of joining this group, it's a dynamic peer group with no judgment. So you can share with the group what you have as part of your experience as a self-help author and listen to us, and maybe even offer some feedback would be encouraged and appreciated for sure, because we can all use different points of view. But within this group, there's definitely lots of different ways to challenge you and to think outside the box as a self-help author. So there's such things as mind mapping and discussion, and there's just some suggestions on different ways to do things as a self-help author. And it's really important for each of us, no matter what we do, to feel comfortable with being uncomfortable. Now, that's a daily challenge, especially for myself, but for all of us. And if we can do that, then we'll be able to achieve those heights. But the mastermind group is definitely something to look at and to join if you're a self-help author. And just as a quick example of the mind mapping that I mentioned, let me show you what I've done. Okay, and with the help of my lovely, beautiful assistant, Cecilia here, my baby girl, we are going to show you the mind map, and then she'll talk to you about it as you see it. So here are the 2 mind maps.
Yep.
And what do they have on there?
He made that one first, and then he just made this one today.
So this is the first one, and then this one was made today. And did you help me out with the colors?
Well, yes.
And what do you
here's
think?
a penguin.
That's right. Penguin,
a
Random
phone,
House Books,
and then
telephone,
YouTube.
for
and
contacts.
There's like 3 YouTubes.
Yes, there's definitely a YouTube theme. So you're watching this on YouTube, and YouTube is a central theme of my
So this is
book
TikTok.
endeavors.
This
Yeah,
is
even TikTok's in there.
Facebook.
Different ways to promote. So
And this is the houses. And this, where's the money? Oh, it's on there. That's the money.
up here, yeah, the money.
And then the
more
idea.
money. And the idea, you like the light bulb?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay. All right. And anything else to say about that, my dear?
Well, so one thing I have to tell.
Okay.
Why is there this there?
Those are binoculars. So
What
the
are
theme of this one is find a publisher. And so we have binoculars for looking for a publisher. Something to make it stand out. So you can look into mind mapping and how it's done. I did videos. There's a guy, Tony Buzan, that invented essentially mind mapping. But those are the ways to get things out. So that's just one of the ways that we go over things with this group. And definitely, okay. Thank you very much, my lovely assistant Cecilia.
Bye.
And she says bye. Thank you for watching, and please join the group. And there will be details below in the descriptions. And again, blogsmithjim.com. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is this is a part of. If you have questions, please let me know, whatever media you're watching this on. And thanks again for watching. Join our Mastermind group, and the details will be below. Thank
Happy
you.
Unicorn Day.
Happy Unicorn Day this Friday. Thank you. Bye-bye.